The biggest misunderstanding when it comes to cleaning up carpets, a lot of people actually mention to you guys that you guys need to be using a carpet extractor. In this occasion, I'm gonna be showing you guys a quick, fast, and easy way that you could be cleaning up carpets or even floor mats. In front of me, I have this AMG floor mat. As you guys can see, there's a lot of dust coming off of it. Now, what ends up happening is dirt or filth or mud has a foul odor. It's underneath your shoes. You start stepping on your floor mat. It gets deep into the fabric, and over time, your fabric actually no longer can breathe, and it actually starts sitting, and your fabric starts to discolor, fade. It starts to get damaged. The next step is you'll be wanting to get your vacuum. So I'll be turning on my vacuum, and I'm just gonna be vacuuming out any light debris that's sitting on the floor mat, and then we're gonna be getting to the cleaning process. So turn on the vacuum. So now we vacuumed out the floor mat. We removed the heavier filth and grime, the one that's actually loose, away from the fabric seats. But if you guys actually look closely, there's still filth stuck within the fibers. Now, how do you clean that up? This is going to be using Lightning Fast. Now, Lightning Fast is a stain extractor and carpet cleaner that's going to allow you to revive and re-nourish your fabric seats or fabric carpet to bring them back to factory look. So how do you use it? It already comes pre-diluted, put into spray mode. Just spray it directly onto your fabric. Be very generous with it. And then a lot of people do not have power tools, so today I'll be talking to you guys about our Nifty brush. Now, our Nifty brush actually has nylon bristles on it that are semi-heavy, and these semi-heavy nylon bristles are going to allow you to agitate the fabric and remove any filth or debris that might be stuck within. So you'll be grabbing your Nifty brush, get your Lightning Fast, spray some onto your brush, and then you'll go to your fabric and you start scrubbing it back and forth. If you have a lot of debris, you might want to do 2 sessions to this carpet. So if I was to wipe this carpet down, I'm going to be showing you guys why. If I flip it to the back side, you guys can see how much filth and grime and debris is actually stuck within this fiber. And all of this filth and grime can cause foul scents to it. So all I'm gonna do is respray my Nifty brush. So by doing a second pass, it's going to allow me to remove any filth or grime or debris from the surface of this floor mat. Now, one biggest misunderstanding a lot of people do is they always tell you you need a carpet extractor to get everything out. Now, in this occasion, by using a microfiber towel on a clean side, I will buff off any residue left behind, and by doing a second pass, we will re-inspect the fabric carpet and just see how much filth and grime is coming out. So all of this filth and grime is stuck within the fibers and it no longer breathes. You guys can see a big before and after. This side is still dirty. This side is now clean. If we look closely at the fibers, everything is stuck within compared to this side is now breathing. And we achieve that by using our Lightning Fast stain extractor and our Nifty brush. So if you guys would like to pick up these products today, you can find them at chemicalguys.com or drive down to your local detail garage. I need to finish up this floor mat. As always, we will see you guys next time.